Welcome to DevTrino. Today we would be talking about GrowFit app, which is a walk and earn application. Recently it has made few changes through which you can earn coins and redeem products. Let's see. So guys, talking about the interface is good, and it has been a long time since I've used this app because it did not have daily coins, as sometimes only I was able to walk out of the home. Well, nowadays you can even get coins through walking inside home also and walking outdoors also. So talking about walking indoors, you can see today's steps are counting the total steps that you have walked, and the point balance will show the coins that you have earned totally, and you can redeem these coins for any product. And the GrowFitter points can be earned by three ways. The first is by daily walking. The second is either through 4 activities which I will be showing you, and the next is through referring friends. If you refer each friend, you would get 20 coins, and at the end I will even show a product proof which I have got the product, but I have forgot where I have kept it. But I will show you the proof that I have got of my mail screenshot, so you can see that I have actually only paid for the shipping alone and nothing else. So talking about the activity has around 4 to 5 things. Let me show you. So talking about the activity, there is walking outdoor and running outdoor, cycling outdoor, and health quiz. Nearby activities is if you are in a huge or large metropolitan, there might be some rewards, but for now walking, running and cycling might be your activity. So if you select any short term goal, you can even get the short term goal also as well as the coins also. So you have to on the location for walking outside, and then only the points will be received. You have to walk, I guess, for 40 minutes, and after walking 40 minutes with the location on, you could get the coins also, as well as after completing the reward goal, you might get some short term reward or long term rewards also. Talking about the health quiz is valid for the term goals or the rewards only for once in a week. So it's an easy way. If you're feeling tired, you can go for the health quiz and it would be added to your account. So this is how you could earn. Let me show you the rewards, how it looks like. So talking about the short term, there are various rewards in it. Like you could see, for doing the activity like walk, run, cycle, quiz concept is a bit different. You have to first only for a week only one quiz is allowed, I guess, and you could even get a Disney Plus Hotstar VIP subscription. You can get a mat, you can get various other products in this. You could get even a free t-shirt, and there are various even other products which are available in this. And talking about the medium term and long term, you could get only a reward if you are a premium member, and unless you are a premium member, it is not available to you. And talking about the premium membership, it will be shown at the end of the video. You could get smart plug. Well, as per I know, you can join all the terms like short term, medium term and long term if you are a premium member. And talking about the long term, there is an trolley bag and vacuum cleaner and induction stove, Amazon Pay voucher of 2500, a mountain bicycle, AirPods and free Mivi neckband. Well, talking about one more thing is there are even products which have a chance to win. If you enter it, there might be a chance only that you could win a product. Let's move on to see what is the premium subscription. So if you are only going through the short term products, a premium subscription is not required. If you are going for the long term, you can try or opt out for monthly, quarterly or annual packages which are costing this much. Monthly costs only 99 rupees, whereas you can see the gifts are in this various, like you can select rewards from, as I said, you can select all the 3 terms category for rewards. You can even get an access to weekly premium lucky draw rewards. But let me tell you already, if you are actually willing to do any activity, this would be better, and if you are taking for a long term purpose, you could definitely get something out of it. So let's move on to the final one, which is refer and earn. This is under the reward section named as explore all rewards. You can see we can get an Amazon voucher for 500 coins, and there are remote sessions, some tokens, and 1 month premium subscription is also available for free. And you can see there is Ghana subscription. There are various other things. There is an OnePlus also, which is for 50,000 coins. Well, if you have friends and you could refer many people, this would be a huge benefit to you, as you can easily get rewards. Well, talking about the final thing, it is a spin to win type feature, and you could spin it and you could get any. So you could see I just paid for the protein shaker, only the shipping, and I got the protein shaker for free. You could also get any product from GrowFitter. Well, for more walk and earn videos, do like, share and subscribe, and click on the bell icon to receive the latest notifications of a video. See you in the next video. Until then, thank you.